I'm going to show you a meal prep video. Here are a few things to do a very easy, simple meal prep. This is exactly what I'm eating this week. And keep in mind, so I have to shop at the commissary on base, which is basically a grocery store, but we have like no vegetables and fruits, and what we do have are crazy expensive. Think of Whole Foods times 10. So that is why when I buy veggies, I buy them frozen. Still tastes really good if you prepare them well, and I'd say that they still hold a lot of the nutrients in here. So here is a bag of vegetables that I'll be using, just some mixed veggies. I'm also going to use some of these peppers for part of a stir fry. And lastly, I'm gonna try out these asparagus spears. I've been craving asparagus and I don't know how these will turn out, but we will see. So those are the veggies that I'm gonna prepare to go with my chicken. This is just some chicken that I got from there. It's like Korean chicken, so I don't really know anything about it, but it is chicken breast. And lastly, I will be eating rice with my food. So let's get started. I have just finished seasoning my chicken. The way I prepared it was with some olive oil. I used salt, pepper, and then a roasted garlic and herb seasoning. I did both sides of the chicken, and so I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the oven. I have it at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, and I'll probably have it in there for about 15 minutes or so, and I'll just keep checking it to make sure it cooks. The rice just gets made in this awesome rice cooker that my mom has, so it's actually already made, which is really nice, but rice is pretty easy to make. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can always make it in a pot, or you can get the microwavable kind, and that's even easier. So this will be the rice that I use for my meals this week. As for the veggies, I've got some of the veggies cooking here in the skillet. So these are the peppers and onions that I'm going to cook here in some olive oil. And then I've got the asparagus actually steaming in the microwave. So once all of that is out, I'll take them out and then season them just to make them taste a little bit better. So with the rice, the way I portion it out is just about a cupful, because I know that for my carbs, I'm just eating about a cup, and that's usually if you have your palm and you hold it into like a cup motion or shape, that's about how many carbs I want to have per serving. And that's one serving, so that's how much I'm going to have with this meal. So I am portioning this out into my little bins. So it's about 1 cup full, and we are good on the rice. So with the vegetables, I drained the water out. Since it was frozen, there was a lot of water that melted from the ice, and so I put some more olive oil in here, and I'm going to now season it. I like mine a little more crispy, and I don't really think it's gonna get that way because this came from frozen, but I think it'll still taste all right. So here we go. To add the asparagus to the pan, so I've already put some olive oil in here, and I'm going to go ahead and just put the asparagus on that. My veggies are all done, so you can see I definitely like my vegetables. I went ahead and just put them all on that side with the rice on this end, and my chicken is ready as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add about a palmful of chicken. So There's a palm, so I'll probably add like those pieces right there to one serving for my meal per lunch. So it's about 4 little strips of chicken there, equals my 1 palm. There you go. So that's how I do some of the measuring when it comes to my protein. Veggies, I just have unlimited. There's no limit to vegetables. You just never can have enough. All right, so the final product is complete. We've got the chicken and our veggies and the rice. It's all ready to go for me to eat this week. It'll make my life so much easier, saves me money, saves me time, and it helps me to stay on track so that way I can keep crushing my gym goals. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll try to make a couple more of these in the future. So good luck and have a great week.